I used to stress about which cables or blocks was strong enough. This thing is way faster and way more convenient. You're not worrying about overpowering or undercharging. You ever had your gear die on you in the worst possible moment? You're mid-shoot or mid-editing and then boom! Battery dies. And worse, you thought it was charging, but because it was the wrong block or weak power bank, it let you down. That is exactly why this caught my attention. So MOKiN was kind enough to send me their 3-in-1 portable charger, asking me to give it a shot. And I'm not gonna be sponsored by them. This is a straight, honest, raw review. But I also do believe in helping smaller brands that are trying to do things the right way. Nobody owes you anything in this game. But if you can support good products and give value to your audiences, why not? So here's what you get straight out of the box. A 10,000 mAh power bank, a 65-watt USB-C wall charger, and a built-in USB-C cable. One device, 3 functions. It's basically an all-in-one solution for people on the go. Compared to my outdated micro USB in IU, this thing is way faster and way more convenient. So I decided to put it to the test by charging some of my gear that usually gives me trouble, such as drone batteries, portable lights, or camera gear that don't often get the proper charge because of the wrong blocks or the wrong cables. I used it during a video shoot, then took it with me to a local Starbucks to get some casual editing done just to see how it performed. It charged my drone batteries, which was a plus because I've had events prior, like weddings, where the battery was at 30% after I thought I have charged it. So that was a big thumbs up. And then during my casual editing at Starbucks, it kept my phone, my laptop, and my headphones all charged up without needing to separate the brick or the cables. I used to stress about which cables or blocks was strong enough to charge what piece of equipment, but with the MOKiN, I don't even think about it anymore. I just plug it in and know that it's going to work and charge what it needs to charge. And here's the part that makes this charger legit. It's a 65-watt USB-C output. That's enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro. It's got a USB-A QC 18-watt, which is great for older pieces of gear, phones, and accessories. And then it's got its 10,000 mAh capacity, which is enough to recharge phones twice around. And best of all, it automatically adjusts based on the device. So you're not worrying about overpowering or undercharging any of your gear anymore. So you're probably wondering, how do you recharge this sucker? Which this is probably one of my favorite parts. No brick, no external cables, just flip out the plug and plug it straight directly into an outlet with a classic charge. It's fully recharged in around 30 minutes, I believe, which is perfect between locations or during quick breaks that you have in between. But what about the size and the build specs, Jim? We gotta know. Well, honestly, in this category, it is perfect. Coming in at around 4.5 inches by 2.7 inches and under 8 ounces, it's not gonna add that much weight to your camera gear whatsoever. And this right here, the built-in USB-C cable has already saved me more times than I can count. It stays clean, light, and ready to go with no tangled mess and no forgotten cords, which is a huge plus in my book. But as you know, everything has its drawbacks, and that's what we're gonna talk about. Number one is the potential of a no pass-through charging. So you can't charge the device and use it to power something else at the same time. I saw somebody reviewing this portable charger and they said it wasn't working for them, but after doing my own testing on multiple outlets, I was finding out that I was having the pass-through charging. So I don't know if his was just faulty or what, but just something that you should be aware of if you do go ahead and purchase this item. And number two is the price. On Amazon, it's currently $60, which is on the high side for a portable charger, in my opinion. But on MOKiN's official website, with the 8% first purchase discount, it comes out to $42. But the only thing you have to take in consideration at that point is the return process can be a little bit harder if you don't end up liking the item. So what's the final verdict? Who is this product for? If you are a creator that's on a constant go, a traveler who's just tired of stuffing bulky chargers in every pocket, or just someone done juggling bricks, cables, and random power banks, then this might be the product for you. You get 3 ways to charge, fast output, a compact size, and an easy plug and go recharging all in one. For me personally, this has replaced a lot of cables and headaches and stress about which cables to use or power banks if they are charging my gear. And I would honestly give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Solid performance, sleek design, and definitely earns a spot in my daily use. I'll drop a link down below for you guys to check it out. And also let me know in the comments section, how do you charge your gear on the go? Do you have a secret tool, or do you just bring all the chargers that you have? As always, I would love to hear how your experience is on your journey. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and the subscribe for more honest gear reviews like this one. And I will catch you all in the next one. Thank you as always. Peace.